Hi friends, welcome to my channel Mana Lectures. In the previous classes we discussed about the topologies, different topologies. Firstly we discussed about the LAN topology, and then we discussed about the MAN topology. In today's session we will discuss about the WAN topology. Topology means we know in topologies there are different topologies. First one is LAN, which is local area network, and second one is MAN, which is metropolitan area network, and now the third one is a wide area network, which is WAN, simply called as WAN. Here a WAN area network, wide area network. Wide area network means simply it covers a very large area. It consists of mostly that compromises of country, or a continent, or if in case it will be even the whole world, even the whole world also it will cover. Wide area network means it consists of a wide area network, spans a very large area that compromises a country or a continent or even the whole world. Here in this wide area network there are two types. Simply there are two types. First one is point to point network, means point to point WAN, and second one is a switched network, switched WAN network. Here there are two types, simply point to point WAN and the switched WAN. First of all we see what is a point to point, means point to point WAN network simply. Here a point to point WAN network is the simplest WAN that connects a computer to a small LAN, means that connects a computer to a small WAN. Here if we consider this is as a computer and is a modem, means a router or any other, simply we call it as modem. Then here it connects to the another modem which is connected to the simply ISP. ISP means internet service provider. Internet service provider. These full forms we need to remember in exam point of view. Here we simply called as modems. Modems are routers or any other. Here this is computer. This is a point to point point WAN network. WAN network means a point to point WAN is the simplest WAN that connects a computer to the small LAN or to an internet service provider This is about the point to point WAN. This type of network, this type of internet access is called point to point WAN. Next one is switched WAN. Switched WAN. It is a complex network. A switched WAN is a complex WAN that connects the hosts to the subnet, or end systems to the subnet. Means simply here firstly we consider a subnetwork, which is a subnetwork. This subnetwork connects to a different hosts means here different hosts host in host. It is in one side to the network, and here there is another host in the network, or simply here if different hosts host. Then the sub network means this sub network consists of transmission lines and switching elements, means here these are connected with switching elements and transmission lines in different ways and different connection. This is about the switched WAN. The router is a switching element. Here this is we consider as router or switching element. Router is nothing but the switching element, connects to two or more transmission lines and also connected to another LAN or WAN. And there here these routers are connected to different elements or to a connected to a LAN or WAN. Unlike LAN, the transmission medium is not shared in WAN, so any computer can send data at any time. Unlike the LAN topology, here WAN can in any time any sender can share the data at any time. The transmission medium of WAN is based on the concept of packet store and forward, in the form of packet store and forward. Means here the data is stored and then forwarded to the next. Means simply here when data arrives from the sender, on an incoming, the router stores in buffer, chooses an appropriate and means simply chooses the appropriate outgoing line, then forward it. It needs to send to the receiver. Here for that it chooses an appropriate line or connection to send this data to the other element or directly or any other ways. If two routers are not directly connected, then packet is received and stored at intermediate routers along the path until the required output line is free and then forward. Means if the sender directly sends to the receiver, if this line is not connected or not free, then it stores it and sends to the another routers and then to the another and then to the other elements and then to finally to the receiver. In this way or directly, or in case if there is a direct connection, in directly it will sense in any way, in any direction or any consideration. The data is stored in each routers and then it stores in buffer memory and then sends to the another and then forward it to the finally to the receiver. The subnet using this concept is called point to point or store and forward, or simply packet switched subnet. This is the WAN different. This is about the WAN topology. In WAN topology, there are two types: simply point to point WAN and switched WAN. This is about the WAN topology. In the next video, we discuss about the what are the differences between these three topologies, which are what are they is LAN topology, WAN topology and MAN topology. These three important topologies in computer networks, and difference also we need to remember this. So we'll see in the next video. Up to now, thanks for watching the video and please subscribe to Mana Lectures.